Hello and welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into a really powerful new tool that honestly promises to turn any small business owner, any solopreneur, into a world-class marketing pro.
Okay, let's just jump right in with a problem I am betting many of you have run into when you've tried using AI to promote your business.
Yeah? Does that sound familiar? It's that generic, buzzword-filled, and, let's be honest, kind of embarrassing slop that so many AI tools churn out when you ask for marketing ideas. It's just not good. It feels wrong because it has no emotion, right? No spark of creativity and absolutely zero real human touch. But here's the thought. What if the problem isn't actually the AI?
And that gets us to the real heart of the matter. To get world-class output, you have to provide a world-class input. And in the ad world, that input is what's called a strategic creative brief. And that's a very specific skill that, most non-marketers just don't have.
So, let's talk about the solution. How do we fix this? Well, imagine for a second that you have an award-winning, top-tier creative director right there in your pocket, ready to go whenever you are.
That is exactly what the 360-degree creative advertising assistant is. It's a specialized GPT that's been meticulously designed to build client-specific, challenge-specific marketing campaigns in, and I mean this, literally seconds.
And you know the best part? It was built from the ground up to bridge that exact expertise gap. It makes that elite-level strategy and creativity accessible to everybody, from solopreneurs to super busy founders.
Okay, so how does it work its magic? Well, it all boils down to one brilliantly simple, yet incredibly powerful, input framework that anyone, and I mean anyone, can use.
You don't need to write some long, complicated document filled with market research. Nope. You just need to answer 4 super straightforward questions. This is the GWTB brief. Get who to buy. Let's break down exactly what that means, because this right here is the key to everything. Get is your audience, the people you're trying to talk to. Who describes their specific problem, their pain point. 2 is the one single action you want them to take after seeing your stuff. And buy is the single most convincing message that will get them to do it. That's it, just those 4 things. And this shows you the power of GWB perfectly. Look at this simple brief for Cheetos. It realizes young people feel this constant pressure to be productive 24/7. So it positions Cheetos as the perfect excuse to do absolutely nothing, all because of the crumbs on their fingers. It's genius, right? All right, let's get to the proof. Let's see how this framework actually builds ideas that are genuinely world-class. This is where the real magic happens. Now, the core principle behind this tool, and this is really important, is that it never operates in a vacuum. It doesn't just randomly throw ideas at the wall and hope something sticks. Its secret weapon is that it benchmarks every single output against a massive library of hundreds of Cannes Lions winning campaigns. And that's basically the Oscars of the advertising world. It learns the patterns of the best ads ever made to create something totally new just for you. And this is the critical rule it always follows. You are not getting a recycled ad from 5 years ago. You're getting a brand new, completely original idea that is built on a solid foundation of proven, award-winning creative strategy. So, when you boil it all down, this remarkable tool puts the power, the strategy, and the creativity of a full-service ad agency right at your fingertips. And when we say 360 degrees, we really mean it. You can generate complete campaigns. We're talking everything from social media and PR to huge experiential events and in-store promotions, all of it stemming from that one simple brief you wrote. This is your chance to stop generating that marketing slop for good and start building powerful campaigns that truly connect with your customers and, most importantly, drive real results for your business. To start creating award-winning ideas right now and to get free access to the 360-degree creative advertising assistant, just visit eliaskaloris.com. You'll find this amazing tool and a bunch more ready to completely transform your marketing.